Vitazymes flush. I'm going to get straight to the point with this. Now, if you're drinking loads of alcohol every day and you're eating loads of bad food, pizzas, frozen pizzas especially, tinned food, processed food, it's dead food, carcinogenic. We do not want this. This is not going to help with a flush. So try and have some discipline and get rid of all the rubbish and start eating clean, fresh, healthy foods, lots of fruits. So we've got to eat healthy. We've also got to do lots of exercise and walking. Now, with the Vitazymes, this is very important. If you've had the jab, you need the comprehensive pack. We've got the Detox regime here because I haven't had the jab. So I'm going to basically be taking between 1 and 3 of these in the morning and 1 and 3 of these in the afternoon, depending on how your health is. So I'm going to go in the middle, 2. 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. That's 2, 2, 2, and 2 in the morning, 2, 2, 2, 2 in the afternoon. 20 to 30 minutes before your breakfast, 20 to 30 minutes before your afternoon meal. Now, 1 pack is 1 month flush if you do it correctly. You might need 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, depending on your state of health. So as soon as you start to feel better, then you can go on a maintenance dosage. Now, the most important thing about this, as well as the herbs, is the flush. You have to flush. If you just take the herbs and don't flush, it's just going to move around in your body. So we need minimum 10 coffee cups every day of water, and try and drink on the hour. Now I'll just measure these out, these bottles. I think these are 1.5 litre bottles. Let's just have a quick look and we'll count this. 1, 2, don't forget you're made up of 70% water. This is very important, you do the flush. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 bottle empty, second bottle, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's 10 cups minimum. So you can drink more, that's not a problem. So look, that's nearly 2 bottles of water, and it's very important you space this out through the day. So don't drink a load in the morning and then leave the bottle till the afternoon, then drink again. You have to do this on the hour, every hour. Flush is so important. So this is the correct protocol if you want to see results from the Vitazymes.